All right, hello once again, Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming, and I believe that in the last, where are we here? The last one of these that we did, let's see, there we are. Okay, so we had this, show the query that shows each separate product name with no repeats along with the associated category description. So let's look at that and make sure that that one worked. Looks like we've got it up right here, but that's okay. So we are selecting here, the product name has to be distinct with the category description, and we're selecting it from two different tables. The products table, which we've aliased as P, the categories table, which we aliased as C. We're joining on the category ID between the two, and we're ordering it by category description. If there's two category descriptions that are the same, then by product name. And again, category description, so you see our A, B, C, etc. And inside of each one of those, product name. So the next one is pretty much the same thing, and I'm hoping this one's going to work. But what we want to do, it's the same as the other one, but we want to try to group the results by category ID. And then sort by, etc. Now, I'm looking at this, and we've got that, join this on this, but I want to say here group by P.product name, C.category description, and C.category ID. So really, what we are grouping the results by is on product name. See if this works, or if I get the same results that I had last time. All right, whoops. So you see what we have here. It says we have 40 total. Here they are. That's the first 24. If we go to the next one, there's the rest. All right, so let's see now if we redo this, because I've been having a lot of poor luck with a lot of this stuff, so see if I even get any results. I think it looks very similar to what we had previously, because we're grouping it based on product name, and each product name is distinct. Let's try this. I don't know if this is going to matter or not, but let's get rid of the word distinct and run it again. So when we just ran it, again, we got 40, just like before, and I think it looks, it's not identical, it's darn near it. I would think it's identical, but let's see if this changes anything. Nope, does not seem to. All right, let's just go on. All right, so the next. All right. So we want, let's just start this. So select C for customer dot customer first name, C dot customer last name. Says we want the order number from the orders table. So O dot, it's order ID. OD dot quantity ordered. P dot product name. And we've already used C for customers, so this for category. This categories will say cat dot category description. From orders O, join order details on O dot order ID equals OD dot order ID. And then we want to do another join products P on OD dot product ID equals P dot product ID, and do another join categories cat on P dot category ID equals cat dot category ID. And one last join, customers C on O dot customer ID equals C dot customer ID. It's a mouthful. So, see if it works. Again, I've mentioned this to you before, and I'm going to just say it again. In all honesty, I wrote these queries upwards probably of 5 years ago. So if they don't work, I'm not sure why they wouldn't, but it's possible they don't. Okay, unknown quantity ordered in the field list. And I think I know what that is. I think that has to be it's in the order details. Yeah, we'll just see, okay. And that's order detail quantity ordered. That's the problem. So that's right here, order detail. Let's see if that changes anything. Just gives me another error. Unknown column. Is it order details? Order detail quantity ordered. And that's in the order details. Didn't like that, so let's see what we got here. Looks like it should be okay. Order details. Ah, didn't say OD here. Here we go. All right, again, I'm getting nothing. pause for just a second. I want to take a quick look at this. All right, I did look at this. I didn't see anything that looked wrong with it, so I'm just going to continue on. When we get into pretty soon, when we go and rewrite and add the database to both the BMI program and the payroll program, we'll write other queries as well. All right, I'm even struggling right now whether or not I should even continue with this with the luck I haven't been having. Yeah, because a lot of these are really, really similar. So I think what I am going to do is just stop right here, and I'm going to go on and talk about what we're going to have to do in order to get databases to work on our BMI program. So when I look back here, and if I come into here, this was the BMI program, and 7th, I think, is the last one that we did. We've got a BMI console. We got a 7th BMI GUI. We don't have an 8th BMI GUI. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this, come back into here, find my 7th iteration BMI GUI, copy that, paste it, bring that in, all right, so now I've got 8th iteration BMI GUI app. There it is up here someplace. There it is. Let's copy that so we're sure we've got the exact same name. Open that. We'll change this. All right, again, I should have been changing the prod user. You can tell already. It doesn't hurt to keep it the way it was. It's still working. Let's make this 8th iteration and this as well. Now I'm going to change this to an I here and an I there. Let's save this. Let's bring that back so it is a lowercase I here. Oops. I. And come back one more and do the same thing here. All right, hopefully I did everything the way that I was supposed to. So let's go into here and let's see if we can bring this one up or bring it in, and so we can bring it up. So we will add an existing project from our C# programs. It is 8th iteration BMI GUI app. And there it is. There it is, and there it is. Yellow was the last color. So let's change it to whatever comes after yellow. Which would be green. All right, let's make this our active project. Let's run it to make sure that it works. In fact, let's change this. Sorry. We've got iteration 07. Let's make it iteration 08. Here and here. Let's save everything and let's run this. I just want to see quickly. Okay, that looks good. That looks good as well. So we're going to have to create a database in here. All right. And this database, it looks like, is going to have these fields in it, right? The idea is we still want to be able to run this. We still want to be able to put in here Jeff Scott 72 in my dreams 188 and to say that's my BMI. So you can cut it down more to 175 and say that I'm at an optimal weight. All right. Then we want to go take that and save that information. Okay, be back with that shortly.